Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone are fine. Today we have came up with another question, that is finding the GCD or HCF. Both indicates the same, that is GCD means the greatest common divisor and HCF means the highest common factor. Let me explain what is GCD or HCF first. Let's take two numbers 10 and 20. Everyone knows these two numbers have factors such as common factors such as 1, 2, 5 and 10. 10 will be divided by 2 and 20 will also be divided by 2. 10 will be also divided by 5 and 20 will also be divided by 5. But what is the common factor? Greatest common divisor. That common indicates means these two numbers must be divided by the same number, any of same number, but should be the greatest, highest. That is here the highest number is 10. So it is the common divisor. Let's take with another number. Let's take 4 and 8. Everyone knows 1, 2, 4. These are the factors divided by these two values. These factors can be these 4 2, 2 will be 4 will be divided by 2, 8 will be divided by 2 and 4 will also be divided by 4, 8 will also be divided by 4. But what is the common factor? Here the common factor is 4. The number which is the highest number that divides both the numbers, it is the common factors. You can take multiple numbers, but here we are going to take only two numbers. These two numbers, just we are going to check whether the which is the highest factor or greatest common divisor. Let's start. I'm going to create a user defined function for this. Def let's GCD, and I need to give two numbers, two input numbers. Next, first we need to find which is the smallest number, because we should create a for loop up from 1 and up to the smallest number only, because 10 and 20, but no divisors will beyond 10, because 10 is the smaller number, so it is the maximum number for the number 10. So no factors will be available beyond 10 for the number 10, but for 20 there will be some factors, but as I said, it is a common divisor, so the divisor must be less than or equal to that number only, that is the smallest number only. So we should create a for loop from 1 to smallest number. Before that we need to find which is the smallest number. So I am just creating a if statement for checking which is the smallest number. If a greater than b, absolutely obviously a is the smallest b is the smallest number, so I'm just storing the value smaller in b, in a variable b. Else it automatically the smaller number is a. Next, we have found the smaller number, and as I said, we should create a for loop from 1 to that number for I in range of 1, because 0 cannot be a factor. For I in range of that number, smaller number. But as I said previously, as I said in the previous videos, range function does not include the last value, so we must increment this by 1 to include the last value also. That is, if I take the numbers 10 and 20, the smaller number is 10, and I must include 10, because 10 is the factor of 10 and 20. For this I need to find the highest common divisor, so I need to increment the for loop by 1. Next, Next, the condition is the number should divided by with the both the numbers. Like if I take 10 and 20, it should be divided by 10 and also it should be divided by 20. So if a modulus I is equal to 0 and as same as it should be divided by both numbers, so I am using an and keyword and we should perform both the operation. I am checking both the numbers are dividing by the ith number or not. If yes, then I am creating a variable HCF or GCD. I am creating here HCF. HCF is the highest number. Else we just leaving this and just we are returning the HCF. What we have found, we should return this. I am just giving a number as first. Initially we can take 10 and 20 itself. Yeah, 10 for 10 and 20 it is 10. Let's take 15, 55. The highest common divisor is 5. Let's take a prime number. If you include any one of the prime number, if one or both any of the prime numbers, always the GCD will be 1 because there will be no other common divisors for prime numbers. If any of the number, any of one or two numbers is prime, automatically the GCD will be 1. For other composite numbers such as other numbers like I take here 15, 20, the GCD will gives accordingly. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.